Okay kids, welcome back to the channel. Today's a big day. The building arrived. Now this is what it looked like before we put the pad down. It's going to be a gravel pad, then the building sits on top of that. So as you can see, it came on one trailer and it's in two pieces. Sit back, watch them unload it, and build a building. Right about here, we realized that the pad is a little smaller than what it was supposed to be. We can still work with it, but you're going to see we have to really move this building around. We're going to end up setting it in place. We're going to end up pulling it forward, pushing it to the right to get it exactly where we want it. After placing the second half on the pad, we know this isn't going to fly. We got to move this building over to the right, probably about a foot, and we got to drag it forward roughly a foot. Now the guys are using a jack and the mule to push the building together, and then they're going to bolt it in place. This took a couple hours to build. We did have a problem with the pad. The pad was a little bit too small, but it still worked out. We just had to move the building around. So it worked out good. The guys did really well. Very professional. All right, this thing's completed. Got the trim piece on. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. There you have it, our new storage facility. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.